Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes and today I want to show you 3 songs with the maximum of 3 chords for each song. One of them only has 2 chords, so make sure to check out all the songs and stay to the very end of the video because you're about to learn some very cool music on guitar. If you're new to the world of guitar playing, no problem, I got something for you. You find in the video description in the info box below this video my free lessons for beginners. No problem if you're playing an electric or an acoustic guitar, doesn't matter. You will get tons of cool free lessons which will help you to master all the basics you need to play chords, to play melodies, to strum, to finger pick on your guitar, so you can start out here on my channel freely. So let's start with the first song, 2 chords, with the song Something in the Way by Nirvana. It just had a comeback in the recent Batman movie with Robert Pattinson, and it was quite a surprise to me that they got this song out in such a version, because I already thought that the Nirvana version was kind of like depressing in a cool way, but this song was also very nice, and I got reminded of it, and I was like, hey, yeah, this is a beautiful song. So check it out. You just need 2 chords, E minor and C with G in bass. And if you want to play along to the original, put a K chord in the first fret. But for now we just play without K chord so everybody can join. 2nd fret A string, 2nd fret D string, index and middle finger, and play all 6 strings. And then the middle finger stays where it is. 2nd fret D string. Ring finger goes to the 3rd fret of the E string, pinky to the 3rd fret of the A string, and the index finger goes to the 1st fret of the B string. And so you have 3, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. C with G in bass. E minor, C with G, E minor, and C with G, E minor, and to the C with G bass, yeah. So you can just strum the chords easily just with downstrokes, 2 times each, and then you go back again. But you can also have a strumming pattern like build up some dynamics here. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down. Beautiful song. I really love it. I grew up with it, and it's just a perfect example for how many chords you need to play a great song. 2 might be enough. So next song, again by Nirvana, All Apologies. And to play that song, we just stick to regular chords here. We don't really play the riff in this video. Just wanted to show you that you can play just with 3 standard chords this beautiful song. And so on, just repeats all over again. We start with C major. You just knew it from the other song before, but we leave out the G and the bass. So we play 3rd fret A string, 2nd fret D string, 1st fret B string. And we play strumming pattern, but leave out the low E string, please. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. tricks on the melody there. Then you switch to F major. If you don't play or can't play the bar chord yet, no problem, you can also work with the power chord here. First fret E string, third fret A and D string, this would be a power chord. It's also fine. You might add the second fret G string with the middle finger and just block the B and E string, so you have an F major chord. Already sounds fine. You can also press down B and E string with a bar chord here. Break on the G chord, and then you play it again between the drum fill in, third fret E string, second fret A string, and third fret high E string. And so on. Now, the third and last song of this video is Foo Fighters' Best of You. Probably their most famous song, because it's actually their most successful song in terms of the charts. I mean, you might like it or not, but it's really famous, and it's still a beautiful song. So we start with C sharp minor 7. Sounds crazy, but it's really easy. Fourth fret A string, second fret D string, fourth fret G string. Please don't play the low E string, but please play B and E string. Beautiful chord, isn't it? I got another confession to make. I'm no fool. Then you lift the ring finger and you got an A sus2. Everyone gets the chance to break back to C sharp. Oh, no, 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 and then to B. This is 4, which goes like this: second fret A string, fourth fret D string, fourth fret G string. Don't play the low E string. High B and E string, please. Is someone getting the C sharp and to the B and to the A? Is someone getting the C sharp and then to the B and to the A chord? Again, A, C sharp, B, and then to A. Back to the verse. C sharp. And then when you hit the second verse, you can play a really nice rhythm in there, where you just play an accent on the 1, the 2 and the 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. chords just combined with an easy one single strum, and on the opposite we have this really nice rhythm going on there. So beautiful song. Just make sure to check it out and play along with it if you don't know it. This is the actual key you play it in, so check out the things that are going on with the Nirvana songs there. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you had some fun with this video, and make sure to check out my free lessons for beginners, which you find in the video description below this video. Thanks for tuning in, and my name is Hannes, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.